Hello everyone, my name is Jason and welcome to this Word of the Day video brought to you by MainStreetEnglish.com. In this Word of the Day video, let's talk about and use the verb endure. Endure. Endure means to continue to exist or to live through bad experiences. Let's practice using endure in a few sentences. She wants to make sure her legacy will endure. We endured the boring lecture for as long as we could. Without food or water for days, the 3 shipwrecked survivors had to endure great hunger and thirst as they waited for rescue. Look for opportunities to use the verb endure in your everyday English usage. I'm Jason from MainStreetEnglish.com. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to receive notifications of new English video lessons created by Main Street English. Thank you and see you again.